Everyone, welcome back to the IPL. This is my week 3 battle against Perp. Perp brought Crobat, Toxapex, Swallowsbuck, Mega Charizard Y, Heatran, Gliscor, while I brought Victory Bell, Regice, Latios, Mega Diancie, Kofag, and Suicune. I led off with Victory Bell, hoping he would lead Charizard, so I can get my chlorophyll up, but let's see what happens. Alright, so Perp leads Crobat, and I'd switch into Kofag thinking like I could take it easily, but by that damage he is definitely banded, so yeah, I was not expecting that in the slightest. Then unfortunately I hit the Willow, and I Willow a Heatran, giving him Flash Fire. And when I was calculating this, I couldn't figure out how to calc Flash Fire. I don't know if it's the same as Sun, like if Sun was up, but without knowing this, I didn't know if I could live or not. So I stayed in, just hoped I could live, and then I would hit Pain Split just to get some health back if I did live. But unfortunately I did not, so I'll lose my defense answer. So switch back, or go into Suicune, go straight for the Scold, catch the Charizard, which is pretty nice. It's 95, I don't know the calc, but that might have had a chance to kill. But he goes for the Solar Beam. I stay in because I know that won't kill me, and pick his Charizard off. Now he sends in his Sawsbuck, and I'm looking around my team like, what really wants to take a hit from a Sawsbuck? Like, this Mon is not garbage. Like, banded chlorophyll is what he ran. That set's really good. So I decided to stay in and just sack Suicune, and I switch out into Regice, and go for Protect, just to scout if he was banded, or if he was choiced in any way, or if he would go for Jump Kick. That would have been really nice. But I had to switch out again because I can't live with the sun up, so I go into Diancie, take that relatively well, and Omega hit him with an Earth Power. I don't think Perp knew that Diancie got Earth Power, so that's why he stayed in. I decided here to go out into Victory Bell to sack it off to a Brave Bird, but he doesn't go for Brave Bird. He goes for Steel Wing, which is really good prep because he is banded, and that would have O-coded Diancie. But I get a HP Rock off. I'm on 1%, he's on 17. He goes for the Steel Wing, he misses it. Unfortunate. So Victory Bell gets the kill. We both go down because of my Life Orb. If that would have hit, I could have went out into Latios and either taken the Steel Wing pretty good, hit something up with an Ice Beam, or he could have switched out, preserved it, and have it come back in. Maybe try to pick something off of Brave Bird, but after he used Brave Bird once, he was dead. So I don't think that really mattered, but that it is unfortunate. I decided to go for the Ice Beam here. I don't know why he switched out into Swallowsbuck, because that just straight up dies. Now he goes into Toxapex. I decided to Psychic. I thought about popping the Z move there, but I decided not to. I decided to Psychic again because it kills, and it goes into Gliscor. Now I decided to, like, okay, fuck it. They're both at like mid health, and I'm just gonna go for the Draconium Z. Just knock out Toxapex, and I'm faster than Gliscor, so there's no way he can bring this back, and I ended up winning the game 3-0. The Missile and Steel Wing potentially could have changed the differential, but I think I had that game won. Because, like I said, I could have just went into Latios, either killed that, like it did everything else. Like, after Tran was gone, Latios just did really well against this team. Yeah. So that has been week 3. Now 2-1, and next week we play Lightning, so that should be fun. Later.